Hello guys, welcome another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the Docker in your system. First of all, we need to check some basic requisite of the installation. When you start installing the Docker in your system, you need to enable the virtualization in your system. If it's not enabled in your system, so go to the BIOS and enable the virtualization from the BIOS setting. How to check the visualization is enabled or not in your system? You need to go to the task manager. In performance, here you see the visualization is disabled, so you need to go to the BIOS setting and enable this option. And the second thing we need to check is the Hyper-V in your systems, which is check and enable from the Windows feature. Open this. Wow. Here you see the click on this and press OK. It takes a few minutes. After that, it enables this option in your system. Try to enable the bot feature. It required to restart your PC, so you need to restart your PC. Hello guys, now I have enabled the and complete my first step. Here you see enable the virtualization from my BIOS setting, and here you see the virtualization is enabled. And the other thing, I will require the Hyper-V enable in your system, and in Windows feature and enable the Hyper-V feature in my system. Now I'm going to install the Docker. So first we need to download the Docker desktop file. So we need to move to Docker official file. Here you see the download Docker desktop file is available for Windows, iOS and Linux. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm run this file. It takes few minutes to run. It downloads some page, and after that it shows it Docker is installed and require the restart. After you restart your system, you see here Docker desktop is downloading some packages. After that it completes the installation, and this side the button is appear to close and restart your system. After that you restart your system, you see this thing, so I'm click on accept, and now you see the Docker but completely installed. Here the link to where to you download this file, but I've shared the link of this file, so you can download from this file from my Google Drive, and also I'm share the Docker desktop installer file, so you can easily download from there. So I'm already download this file. If you click on this link, it automatically redirect to the site where you can download this file. So I'm simply run this file. Next, here you will see I've installed the kernel file. Now it's installed. Now again start the Docker. So go. Now we need to check the services. Here is the services of server which need to run in your system. It's already running. And now I need to check the services. This service need to running in your system. If it is not running, you need to run this service sometime. Docker is not working just because of this service is not running in the background. Now check the computer management. In these group policies, here you see the Docker user. My user is already adding this group policy. If you are not adding this policy, it appears the message is not a part of the group policy. So you need to add the in this group of policy. Okay. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and share this video with the other person who don't know how to install the Docker completely. So, yeah.